In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a Google Doc into a PDF file. It's super easy to do within Google Docs. First, open the Google Doc you want to turn into a PDF. Make sure it's complete and that you're happy with how it looks. Next, click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. Then, hover over Download and select PDF Document. Your browser will automatically download the PDF file. That's it. You've successfully turned your Google Doc into a PDF file. Now let's move on to 3 ways you can convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF file. After you've written the document in Microsoft Word, click on File and then Save As. Select Browse and choose the location where you want to save the PDF file. Click on the arrow next to Save As Type and select PDF from the list. Click OK and then Save. There you go. Another way to save your Word document as a PDF file is by printing. Click on File and then Print. Under Printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF from the drop-down menu and click Print. Now choose where you want to save the file and click Save. If you don't have the desktop version of Microsoft Word, you can use Word Online. Open or create your Word document here, then click File, then Export, and choose Download as PDF. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, click Download and save your file. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more valuable tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.